If you want to delete your Google Meet account permanently, follow these steps carefully to ensure your account is removed completely. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your credentials to access your account. Make sure you are using the account associated with Google Meet. Step 2. Navigate to Data and Personalization. Once logged in, click on the Data and Personalization tab on the left side of the screen. This section contains options related to your account data and settings. Step 3. Access Account Management. Scroll down to find the Download, Delete, or Make a Plan for Your Data section. Click on Delete the service or your account to proceed with deleting your Google Meet account. Step 4. Delete Google Meet. In the Delete a Google Service section, locate Google Meet and click on the trash can icon next to it. Follow the prompts to confirm that you want to delete the service. Step 5. Confirm deletion. You may be asked to verify your identity by entering your password again. After verification, confirm the deletion of your Google Meet account. Make sure to read any warnings about data loss before finalizing the process. Once you have completed these steps, your Google Meet account will be permanently deleted. Remember that this action cannot be undone, and you will lose access to any meetings and data associated with the account.